What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about passive income, crypto, stock, and affiliate marketing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a little bit of a combination of both. It's going to be affiliate marketing and passive income. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and get to the disclaimer of the day, which it looked like I closed. Give me just a second to open that back up. Apologize for that inconvenience. Let's see, I forgot to open it. Let me go back here. I must have just closed it. You guys get to see me open that in action. So as you can see, you can come back and read this at any time by pressing the pause button, but I'm just going to give you guys a quick synopsis. I'm not your financial advisor. Please seek financial help if you need financial advice. What I'm providing here on my channel is information on what I am doing to make passive income, and you can use these strategies, or you don't have to use these strategies. I'm actually just giving you a situation where you could use them, but you don't have to. It's all up to you. Back to the video. All right. We're going to be using My Lead Gen Secret, which gives us email leads every day, which we're going to be using to send to ClickBank products. That's pretty much the gist of what we do here. And I'm already on the page. This site pretty much gives me 200 leads every single day for $30 per month. The first month is $6 because of the $30 for the first month and a $30 processing fee. Now what I do is I come in here to the mailing system tab. I press select all. That selects all of my leads. As you can see, I have 28,200 leads in this particular account. You can have multiple accounts, which they do allow. You just have to have different emails for each account. Now, where am I getting this subject from? Now, what I did is I made my very own. Looks like I have to open that up again. What I have to do is sorry. What I'm going to have to do is open up the page where I actually pre-did all of this from the ClickBank site. There are ClickBank sites where you can go to the offer, and the offer will give you all of the information you need to send these emails. So we're doing email marketing, but we're using ClickBank, we're using My Lead Gen Secret, and I'm calling it passive income because it's not hard to do. It's really not hard to do. All we're doing is copying the information from here and pasting it there. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all we're going to be doing. Let's see, that one, which one, I'll have to see which one was the last one that I've done. I don't remember doing number 6. I think I skipped number 6. Let me go back and do number 6 since I skipped this one. And all we're going to do is copy this. And I'll just put mine on a Word document so it'll make it a little bit easier for me to do. When we come back to the document, all we're doing is copying and pasting. Once you learn how to do this, pretty much all you're going to be doing is copying and pasting from this. You can do it the same thing from the affiliate page. With offers that are on ClickBank have affiliate pages. Those affiliate pages give you the information that you see me copying and pasting here. And all you have to do is sign up for a ClickBank account. And after you sign up for a ClickBank account, they will give you different categories. Once you get to those categories, you pick the e-marketing, and you think it's e-biz category. I'll show you in just a second. And we're just going to copy the information from there to here. Click the perfect timing. And this pretty much is a system that gives you emails and it allows you to send emails. But before we press send, what I have to do is do this. Glad I caught that, because I would have sent this and no one would have had the link to click on. So I'm going to cut that. And I'm going to highlight. You can highlight the whole thing or just the word here. And this makes this link clickable. Click on that. Then you paste your link in here. Press OK. That makes the link clickable. All you have to do from there is press send email just to make sure everything is done right before you send it. You can check one more time. You have the subject. Come back down to the body. And if you want to, you can press the preview button so you can see what your email looks like right before you send it. And if you want, you can make this space smaller, which is in between those two. And you would do it like that. And then come back and press preview again. And now it still doesn't look right. So let's go back and make that. Do it right back the way it was. Okay. And probably just end up leaving it like that. Just leave it like that and let it go like that. Then we press send. And that's pretty much it. That's why I call it passive income. Pretty much all we're going to be doing is that. And once you get your offers and all of the other stuff set up, once you set up your ClickBank account, all you're doing is copying and pasting from one account to another. Now I have 5 accounts. So what I'll be doing is logging into the second account, third account, second account, third account, and the fourth account, and the last account. And pretty much That's all we're doing here. But let's go ahead to ClickBank so I can show you that information before I finish that. Where we're getting the information from. I've already created my account, so I have two accounts. You can create multiple accounts on ClickBank as well. You can use those to test different traffic sources, or you can just use different. There's different reasons why you can use them. Some people use them for different traffic sources. Some people, you may use one for Facebook. You may use another one for Twitter. But there's multiple different ways you can track that information by doing different accounts. Or a certain way you can track it on here as well. So as you can see, I did make a sale on the 27th, which is the $5. And I do have money coming, which is $21. So as you can see, it is working. It's not 100% profitable just yet. It's getting probably be profitable maybe by next month, but right now it's not looking like it's going to be profitable for the first 30 days. So let's see. I'm going to click on whichever one of these usernames that you're going to be creating your account, that you create your account with. Go to reporting. It's going to show me all of my stats. It doesn't look like a lot of clicks because I haven't really sent any emails just yet. Yesterday and the day before, and as you can see, you can get the clicks right here. Clicks are picking up. Order form impressions are not as many, so no orders as of yet. Let's go to Marketplace, and this is pretty much where we get the offers from and the emails. Come down to the e-business and e-marketing. Then you're going to come over to the top, and you're going to press gravity so you can rank it by the offers that's getting the most amount of sales. And these are the two offers that I have the sales in right now. This one is the first one with 2 sales, and I have 1 on this one. And right now I kind of skipped over that one, so now I'm promoting this one. All you do is you click on the affiliate page, and some of you have to create an account for. This one I think is one of them. So you have to create an account on this one to get the to the affiliate page. But most of the other ones you don't have to. You pretty much just click on the affiliate page, and it takes you directly to all the information you need, no matter what type of traffic that you're using. It'll just give you that particular information. If you like, we're using emails, it'll give you email swipes. Using Facebook ads, it'll give you the pixel. Give you ad images for the, for Facebook. Like if I wanted to, I can take some of these videos and add them and upload them to my YouTube channel. It also has shorts, which is something you can. I hadn't seen this before, but it may have been here. They also have shorts ads. So if I want to upload this to YouTube Shorts or TikTok or any of the other short sites, we're going to click here for the emails. That's what we use. And all we're doing is copying and pasting from here to the list that we have. Once we finish with this one, we move to the next one until we get to the bottom of the page, and then we start all over again, unless you want to try a different affiliate site where you want to try different offers, or you can try a different genre. It all depends on you. I'm going to do this maybe 2 or 3 times up and down the page, and then after that I may go to another source after that. And that's pretty much all you're doing. If you need more info, my contact info may be down below. If not, check another video. Thank you guys for watching. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out. I almost forgot, guys. Don't forget to give me that LNS special, the like and subscribe button for more content. As well, I will be putting the links down below for the My Lead Gen Secret Systems, and also a link for ClickBank, so you guys can create an account with ClickBank if that's what you need to do. Also, I would, if you're going to use the strategy that I'm using, I would suggest at a bare minimum. It's just my suggestion. If you can't afford that, that's fine. If you can only afford to do the minimum, that's fine as well. And if you can't afford it at all, just fine. You can just watch my progress as I go along. I would say get 2 accounts at the bare minimum to start. That way you can get double the amount of leads, at least on the first account. Use the first account that you signed up with and sign up the second account. So the first account can get 200 leads, and the second account will have 100 leads. That will give you 300 leads every single day. And after the first 30 days, you'll have yourself about 9,000 leads for the first month. I think that will help you guys get some sales by the end of the first 30 days. But just try the system out if that's what you would like to do. It's not hard. It's simple. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.